This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application. Get 30% off on being first 200 sign-ups. Get the link from description.
Hey everybody, welcome to the new video of Educate WordPress. This channel is exclusively devoted to teaching WordPress, and today we are going to add frequently bought together option on our products. There are two popular plugins for doing this. One is each frequently bought together plugin, and the other one is 𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃's frequently bought together plugin. Both of them have free and paid versions. Keep watching to find out which one of them is most appropriate for your website. We are going to start with each frequently bought together plugin. So either you can install it from WordPress org site, or you can go to plugins and add new and type in frequently and you will see each WooCommerce frequently bought together. Now click on install and then activate. After activation, you will see it in your left navigation menu under each tab. So as you can see, there is an option frequently bought together. Now you can customize this option right here. You can type its box title. Like if you don't want it to be written as frequently bought together, you can just type in bought together, and the total label, button color, you can choose different color. And what will happen if you hover your mouse over it? So which color should it change to? So you can choose that color also. So these are available in paid version and free version, both of them. And then hit on save option. Now to add it in your products, go to products under WooCommerce tab and click on whichever product you want to add it to. Like I will go with the t-shirt with logo. And then scroll down and you will see frequently bought together. And now type in the products that you want to add in its frequently bought together option. So I will type in polo, shirt, and then I can choose virtual products or downloadable products as well. And then update. So now when I'll check out the product page, I will see a bought together option. So this is how each bought together option works. You can add it to cart, add all to cart, and it will show us total sum of money right here. Okay, so now move on to WPC's frequently bought together plugin. So you can install it from plugins, add new, type in frequent again, and click on install. Now click on activate. So now after activating, you will see it in your left navigation menu under WP Clever. You will see bought together option. So it has more options in its free version than each bought together. As you can see, you can click the pricing method, either the regular price or the sale price, which one of them you want to show here. Default products. If you don't add any frequently bought together product to any product, then it will select default, and default is set to none always. You can choose its layout, its position, and you can always hide it and use its shortcode, this one, to add it wherever you want. I hope you can see the shortcode. And you can choose its add to cart button, either it can be separate button or a main product button. If you choose the separate button, then you cannot choose this item property. So I'll go with the main product button. You can choose its thumbnail to be displayed or not. So yes, of course. And you can choose the plus minus button to disappear, to be available, and then click on save changes. So to add it in your product, go to products and choose whichever product you want to add it to. Like I will go with hoodie with zipper. And now you can see bought together option right here. Click on it, and now you can even select the discount you want to give on that product. Like it is giving it 80% discount on whatever product I will add to. A t-shirt with logo, t-shirt. These are the products I have already added. To add a new product, you can just type in here. I will go with sunglasses. So here you can see sunglasses added. Now 3 products are added. I can either type in the percent that I want to discount it, or I can just type in its price. Like it is written here $90, $90. So I can set it to 70. So this option will be available if it is bought together with t-shirt with hoodie. And I can select multiple selection or a single selection, and discount on main product. So I can set discount on main product if they buy frequently bought together product along with it. So I can set it to like 10% discount or 4% discount or 5% discount, and it will calculate it automatically. And check all by default, and custom quantity also, to allow the user to add custom quantity of the frequently bought together product. If they want, if they do not want any one of the product from the frequently bought together option, they can just choose its quantity to be 0. And you can use shortcode here that was there on the bought together option. This one, and paste it here. So it will show just below. This is a simple product, which is your short description of product. It will show just below it, and then update. So now when you open the link, hoodie with zipper, I have hidden its position. So I will choose it above add to cart button. click on Save Changes. Now you will be able to see it after I refresh. So as you can see, and this is all available in its free version. In its paid version, you can add more stuffs. So that's how you can add frequently bought together option. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to Educate WordPress. We'll see you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.